Hi, this is Josh from Performable. The other day I wrote a blog post on our blog about how Twitter was A/B testing the sign up button on their homepage. They had at least 5 different versions with different text such as join today or sign up. And I talked in my blog post just about how each one of those phrases is a slightly different psychological approach, and it'll be interesting to see the results of how that affects sign up. I also I also mentioned that one of our goals at Performable is to build the fastest A/B testing platform on the planet. So today I want to show you, I want to run through creating a test just like the one Twitter did and show you just how fast it can be. So here I am in the Performable platform. I'm going to create my first landing page. Let's call it Twitter homepage test. And we'll select A/B testing because that's what we want to do. And down here I'm selecting the Twitter homepage template. I'm not going to show you how we created that template today. We're not quite ready to open that up. We'll be showing that off in a future screencast. So let's click create. We'll go to the editing page. So here we are on the editing page, and I'm going to create 5 different variations of the page now, and each one of those variations will have different button text. And so I'll also name the variations by the button text so that in the Performable system I'll be able to keep track of each of the variations. So here we go. That's what the page is going to look like, and you can see our text let me in over on the right. Okay, so now that we've created one, all we have to do to create another one is simply clone that, and now we're on the second variation. So let's go in and change the variation name and change the call to action. We'll preview that one as well. Okay, so see, we're creating these pages extremely fast. Let's clone it again. Sign up. Okay, we'll save that one, clone it. I'm going to go back and see what the other texts were. Give it a try and join today. So join today. Okay, save that, clone that, and then give it a try. Okay, so as you can see, I'm only entering text in 2 fields. The other fields in this form are the headline, the subheadline, the paragraph, and a paragraph 2. So there are actually many fields that we can edit if we so choose, and I'll show you where they are on the Twitter homepage. So here's one of the fields. Here's another one of the fields. So we've made, in the Performable platform, we've made all these editable fields, which means if they're editable, they're also testable. So for each variation, we could change all the text in those fields if we wanted to. But what we're going to do right now is to simply do exactly what Twitter did and just change their button text. Okay, so now we'll just save that. Now we have our 5 variations. We're done editing. And this is the visit and conversion data page. So we see we have our 5 variations down the left-hand side. So we're actually doing a ABCDE test. The status of all the pages right now is draft. So let's enable some of these pages. You can enable or disable pages individually, however you choose. It comes in handy when you're running a test and one of the pages is performing pretty poorly. So you might want to disable that and send the traffic to the better performing pages. So now that we've enabled all of them, you can see that the landing page is live. It's live on one of our beta domains, and let's just look at that. Okay, so now we have published a page, a live page. It's A/B testing between the traffic is split between our 5 different variations, and the data is going to show up right on the data and conversion data page. So that's what I wanted to show you. I hope I made it clear how easy it is to create a test of this type in the Performable platform, and that's what I wanted to show you today. Thanks.